unboxing of the Apex Bowlers double arc oversized blue clamp and the blue ODI Navy grips. I'm so excited. And I had to wait for the cameraman to come here. First ever bar unboxing ever. How do you even do this?
Tell who's it.
I never unboxed bars, so I would not know.
Who's it? Who'd you order it from?
Oh, Scootercanada. No, I want to open like the.
Rabbit.
No, dude, I don't want to. Okay, I'm just gonna box it from here. I don't give a shit. Frick you. Yeah, that's probably good. Ethan was about to come over.
To what?
So we got, first off, got the navy blue ODI long neck softies. Very nice, very nice. We got the double tilt oversized blue clamp. This is sick. Oh. And stickers. Stickers. This is actually sick. And on to the main part, the Apex Bowlers. Oh my god! What the hell? This is sick. I'm actually so excited right now. Apex Bowlers.
That looks sick.
Do you think they're too, like, low? Oh.
Yeah, let me just get a close up of this. Okay. Some softies.
So.
Oh.
Tilt arc double.
Apex Bowlers.
Look how sick that will look.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing.